Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy to have you here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Tom, and today's topic is one of the most useful skills in English, how to start a friendly conversation.
Yes, many English learners want to talk to people, but they don't know where to begin. You see someone in a cafe, a park, or online, and suddenly your mind goes blank.
That's so true. You want to say something, but nothing comes out. Your hands shake, your voice is quiet, and you just smile awkwardly.
That's okay. Everyone feels that way at first. Today, we'll show you how to start a conversation naturally and confidently in many different situations.
Tip number 1. Start with a greeting. It doesn't have to be complicated. Hi, how are you? Or hello, how's it going? Works perfectly.
And don't forget a smile. A smile is like a bridge. It makes people feel comfortable and shows that you're friendly.
Another way to start is by making a comment about the situation. If you're at a cafe, you can say, "This place is really cozy, isn't it?"
Or in a classroom, this lesson is so interesting, right? These comments are easy to reply to and make the conversation natural.
Let's do a role play in a cafe.
Hi, it's really cold today, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I didn't expect this in October.
Me neither. I forgot my jacket.
Same here. By the way, I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you too. Just a few friendly words and a smile, and you're already talking.
Tip number 2. Give a small compliment. People like kind words.
True. I like your shoes, or your bag is nice, is simple and friendly.
But keep it light and polite. Don't say, "You look amazing today," to a stranger. It could be too much.
Exactly. A small compliment works best, like, "I like your notebook. Where did you get it?"
Let's try it.
"Hi, I really like your backpack."
Oh, thanks. I got it from a shop nearby.
"That's nice. I need a new one too." "Was it expensive?"
Not really. It was on sale last week.
See? Friendly conversation is simple.
Tip number 3. Ask a simple question. Something short like, "Do you know what time it is?" or "Is this seat taken?"
Right. These questions make it easy for the other person to reply.
Let's do a classroom conversation.
"Hi, is this seat free?"
Yes, please sit.
"Thanks. I'm Tom."
I'm Anna.
"Nice to meet you. Do you study here?"
Yes, I'm in English class. How about you?
"Me too. I just started the semester."
Oh, welcome. I hope you like it here.
"Thanks. I already like it." Another tip is talking about shared interests. Ask about hobbies, movies, music, or travel.
Let's do a hobby role play.
"Hi, what do you like to do in your free time?"
I like football and reading. How about you?
"I like reading too, mostly adventure and mystery books."
Wow, same taste. Have you read the latest J.K. Rowling book?
"Yes, it was amazing."
Me too. We could talk about this for hours. See, talking about hobbies makes conversations flow naturally.
Tip number 4. Show that you're listening. Words like, "Really? That's interesting," or "Me too," make you sound friendly and engaged.
Let's do a park conversation.
"Hi, do you come here often?"
Yes, almost every morning. I like walking and taking photos.
"Me too. I sometimes meet new people here."
What do you usually do in the park?
"Walk and read. I also love photography."
Wow, maybe we can share photos sometime.
See? A short conversation can turn into a friendship.
Tip number 5. Comment on your surroundings in public places.
Supermarket. "I love this chocolate. Have you tried it?"
Jim, do you come here often? Or Which class do you take?
Airport. Is this line for check-in? Or where are you traveling to?
Library. Do you like this book? Or any recommendations for mystery novels?
Online. Hi, I saw your post about travel. Where's your favorite place?
Or, I noticed you like cooking. Do you have a favorite recipe?
Tip number 6. Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them. Take a breath, smile, and continue.
And if you don't understand something, say politely, "Sorry, what does that mean?" Or, "Could you repeat that, please?"
That shows you're polite and confident.
Tip number 7. Use humor and small funny stories. They make conversations memorable.
Yes, once I said, I like dogs, and the person said, I love cats. We laughed and talked for 10 minutes.
Tip number 8. Use body language. Smile, relax your shoulders, make eye contact, nod, or laugh a little. It shows friendliness.
Tip number 9. Be yourself. Kindness and friendliness matter more than perfect grammar.
Tip number 10. Practice makes perfect. The more conversations you start, the easier it becomes.
Let's do role plays in more places.
Bus stop. Hi, is this your first time on this bus?
No, I take it every day. How about you?
First time. Do you like riding it?
Yes, it's relaxing, and I listen to music.
Oh, me too. What do you listen to?
Pop and jazz.
Nice. I love jazz.
Cafe. Hi, do you come here often?
Yes, I love the cappuccino. How about you?
I'm new, but I like it already. The coffee smells great.
Try the croissant. It's delicious.
I will.
Jim. Hi, which class do you take?
I do yoga. And you?
Pilates. Maybe we can try each other's class sometime.
That sounds fun.
Airport. Hi, are you going to London too?
Yes. Are you traveling for work or holiday?
Holiday. I'm excited to visit the museums.
That's great. I love museums too.
Library. Hi, I see you reading a mystery book. Any recommendations?
Yes, this one is amazing. The plot twists are so clever.
I love a good mystery. I'll check it out.
School. Hi, did you finish the homework?
Yes, but it was tricky. How about you?
I almost finished, but I need help with question 5.
I can help you.
Thank you.
Online chat. Hi, I saw your post about travel. Where is your favorite place?
I love Japan. The food and culture are amazing.
Me too. I want to visit next year.
See? Conversations online can be just as friendly and fun as in real life.
And remember, even small talk is practice.
Every hi is a chance to improve your English.
This week, try at least one conversation in each scenario: cafe, park, bus, classroom, supermarket, library, gym, airport, school, or online.
Even a short, hi, how's it going, can lead to new friends.
And make sure to listen, smile, and react naturally. That's what makes conversations friendly.
If you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe, share it with friends, and leave a comment. Tell us your favorite conversation starter or share a story of a friendly conversation. Your stories can help other learners feel more confident.
Thank you for listening. Keep smiling, keep talking, and keep learning English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.